This is a 2002 Whirlpool 5000 BTU window air conditioner. I got this on Facebook Marketplace today. I've wanted one of these for a while. These are childhood units for me. My grandmother had one of these upstairs in her house when I was a little kid. And when they moved out of that house, it ended up in my garage. And it sat there for years, and eventually my dad just stuck it at the curb and some scrapper took it. Which is really annoying because the thing worked fine, and at the time I didn't have an air conditioner in my room, so I was suffering not being able to sleep when it was really hot, and I definitely could have used it, so it really upset me that it just got thrown away and probably scrapped. So I decided to get another one. I used to see these all over the place when I was a kid, and I always thought the design of the vents was pretty unique. See how they're kind of rounded? That was pretty different at the time. So I definitely have a soft spot for these. Another thing I really like about these air conditioners is this right here. This makes it so much safer and easier to install and uninstall these from the window. A lot of window air conditioners, at least the ones that don't have slide out chassis, they have nowhere to grab on here, so you have to slide the side panels in and grab it like that when you're pulling it out of the window, because there's no way to get your fingers in there when you're trying to uninstall it from the window. And this just makes it a lot safer and a lot easier. And if you're installing it and putting the window down, you won't pinch your fingers. So I really like that. It's little things like that that really make a difference. This is the smallest version of these you could get. I know that the ones with the two vents go up to about 7,500 BTU, I think, and the bigger ones have 3 vents. So yeah, this one's in pretty good shape. The condenser is pretty banged up, so that's going to need to be straightened out big time, but that's nothing I can't handle. It has I don't know if you can see that or not, it has a Rechi Precision rotary compressor. It's very smooth and quiet. And the fan motor, not exactly sure who it's made by, but I know it has, well, you can't really see it. It has a very long spin down time, so the bearings are in good shape and it's quiet. Let me pull the filter cover off. Evaporator coil is not dirty or anything. There's the filter. I don't think you can really see the inside of the condenser coil, but it's actually pretty clean. So I'm still going to take this apart and clean it though. Here are the controls. It's just a 2-speed motor. And it uses the same metal frame side panels as the old ones do. And yeah, it's plugged into the kilowatt meter, so let's see how much this thing draws. It is rated at 4.9 amps, or 4.96 to be exact. And it is from April of 2002. I wish it would stay focused. $5,000 BTU. Alright. Thermostat's all the way on cold. It starts on fan only. There's definitely airflow through the condenser, so that's good. Start on low cool. When it's on fan only, the thing runs on high, I think. Oh, this is actually a 3-speed motor. Never mind. It's got low, high, and then turbo settings. And there's our current amp draw. That will, of course, increase as the head pressure builds up. Go up to medium. And high. Very strong airflow. And there's what we're pulling on high. It's getting cold. Go back down to low. Alright, it's been running for a few minutes now. So we're pulling on low. Nice and cold. I'm not sure if these screws on the top of the front panel are original or not. I don't think they are. And here's what we're pulling on low after it's been running for about 20 minutes. Here's medium.